All right. Number 5 from the Unit 5D handout, the Unit 5 review, is another one of these. These are called curve fitting problems, um, where I give you a couple of points and then you find the equation of the curve that would go through them. And so this one, let's see now. We know that it passes through 0, 1, 3, and 2, 12. And I'll write this, you can write it as f of x, but I tend to just do y equals for these problems. Um, and so now let's just plug in the 0 and 1, 3. So if we plug in 0 and 1, 3, or you could think of it as f of 0 equals 1/3, right? So if we plug in 0 for x and 1/3 for y, then we get 1/3 equals ab to the 0, right? And let me write it here. So when y is 1/3, x is 0, or rather when x is 0, y is 1/3. So 1/3 equals ab to the 0. And b to the 0 is 1. So right away we already have a is 1/3. If we plug in this one, we've got f of 2 has to be 12. So in this equation here, when x is 2, y is 12. So 12 equals ab squared. And we know a is 1/3. So 12 equals 1/3 times b squared. So to get rid of that 1/3, we'll multiply both sides by 3. So we get 36 equals b squared. So b has to be plus or minus root 36, which is 6. And then remember, for exponential functions, b has to be positive. B has to be greater than 0. So b has to be 6. Okay.